Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yumi here. Today we're going to be making a lava lamp. So first you're going to be needing water, baby oil, salt and a spoon, and food coloring. You'll be needing 12 containers or bottles. First you're going to fill up the container 3/4 with water. After the fun part, you can pick your favorite color, but you only need like a few drops. Put a couple drops. Next, fill the rest of the container with baby oil. Next is the salt. Fill your spoon up, do like a big spoonful. That should be enough. Then for the fun part, pour it in. See what happens. Cool! The more the salt, the more the lava erupts. Hey guys, update. It's been a few days and the lava lamp still works. So what to do is just add a bit more salt and it still works. See? Still working. Even after a few days it works. See the bubbles coming up. There's salt bubbles. Have an old water bottle that is clear. This is perfect for it and you can keep it. Here's the lids. I hope you liked this experiment. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe for more cool videos. Bye everyone, I'm out.